Rob Crowder, president of barbecue, and this is another video on fixings for the meat that you smoke. Well, today we're going to be doing baked beans, one of the most great meal items to go with your pork. It's something that's very easy to do. Now, Bush bakes a very good baked beans. They surely do. But I always like to take things up a notch. So if you come on over, this right here is the 55-ounce Bush baked beans, just the original type. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a few things to it. Number one, we're going to add a cup of minced barbecue. This is from a Boston butt. The second thing we're going to add to it is 1/3 of a cup of honey. And I'm glad I brought a spoon because we'd be here forever. The third thing is 1/3 of a cup of just regular yellow mustard. And then finally, a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. You stir all this around. And I'm going to tell you guys, when you finished getting these ready, you're going to know you're eating some great baked beans and something that you took what was already available. I'm okay with doing that. You don't need to make everything from scratch. These will be the best baked beans you've ever eaten. So, this is Rob Crowder, the president of barbecue. Please come back for more videos.